In the name of God, and welcome to Tekla Structures online course by iWorkstation. I'm Mojtaba Ardeshir Larijani. I'm a specialist in Tekla Structures and BIM. I'm author and producer of the first educational films and books in 5 walls in Iran. In this course, we have 3 parts. In the first part, solid structures, we will talk about modeling, drawing, making MTO list using the smart connection and components. For example, you can model a special type of steel structure, just like bridge, telecommunication tower, billboard, pipe rack, or in other words, any type of steel structures, and make drawing in different type, single part assembly drawing, general arrangement drawing, and multi-drawing, and use your drawing as a template and make other drawing in your special style and make MTO list in different type for your selected parts or all parts in your project to know the weight of your parts, the number of electrodes for welding, the number of washers and bolts, or even now parts painting area. You can use custom component to build smart parts and smart connections. For example, when you make smart components for stiffeners, by changing your beam or your columns, the stiffeners widths and heights, and even the thickness will change according to your beam's flange. For this course, we will have about 20 hours online class, and in this course we will work on 2 projects in full phase. First project is a common structure with beam and column splice, stiffeners and brace, and second project is an industrial shed with columns, rafters, beams, sag rods, purlins, and other parts. This project includes modeling using components and making shop drawing and MTO list. By this part, you can work as a draftsman or project controllers in steel construction industry. In second parts of this course, we will talk about concrete structures, include beam, columns, shear walls, slabs, and other type of concrete parts, and we'll learn how we can use reinforce in concrete parts and use overlaps and use optimized cuts for our armatures. In this course, in 15 hours and in 2 projects, we will talk about modeling concrete parts, reinforcing, making shop drawing and MTO list for our concrete parts or armature. I think Tekla Structures is the best software for make MTO list. For example, in the reinforced parts, with changing the diameter of armature, the weight and volumes of concrete will change. And with this ability, you can find accuracy of this software. By this part, you can work as a project controllers and draftsmen in concrete or steel industry. In last part, in 10 hours, we will talk about BIM, transportation management, risk management, project scenarios, and other idea for using BIM in our projects. In this part, we will work on special projects just like CFD, glass, or composite facade, freeform, skylights, and etc. By this part, you can work as a BIM coordinator, project manager, project coordinator, real-time controller, risk manager, project estimator, project planner, construction manager, and CPM, scheduling manager. Join us.